Hey, it's Norel from Threadistry, and today I'm going to show you how to tie the perfect bow out of ribbon. Great for craft projects, sewing projects, adding a little bow on, well, geez, almost anything. So I've got this red and white spot ribbon, and this ribbon's a little trickier than some because it's got a one-sided design. So I've left the ribbon attached to the roll just to save a bit of ribbon at the end. Hopefully I won't have to trim off so much. For this 3/8 inch wide ribbon, I'd normally take 10 to 12 centimeters, so what's that, 4 inches if I was going to trim it off first. And this end has been cut on an angle, and I would seal that hasn't been sealed yet. Okay, first I'm going to make 2 bunny ears. Let's see, so I can show you. With 2 bunny ears, that's it. And I'm going to cross the bunny ears. And then the top bunny ear, I'm going to fold under through this loop at the bottom and pull tight. That, just shorten my bunny ears a little bit, my bow. That's looking okay, but not really perfect, is it? Because the center of this knot is the wrong way round, and this tail is the wrong way round too. So what you actually need to do, we'll start with the knot, is just loosen it a little bit and give it a twist and push through. Basically just turning the ribbon the other way around. All the way along, smooth it out, and pull that bow tight again. That little bit's just curled under a bit, so I can pull that out with my fingernail. So that's fixed the center of the bow. Now we just have to sort out this tail. So what we actually want to do is, under the knot, twist the ribbon. So we'll give that a good twist. But you obviously don't want too much of that twist on this section of the bow. You want it mostly behind the knot. So we'll twist it, pull it tight, and ta-da! We have our bow. Obviously you can then adjust the tails and adjust the size of the loops to suit your ribbon and the look you're going for. And snip the ends off. There's still a little bit of wastage here, but hopefully at least I don't have to trim 2 sides of the ribbon by keeping it attached there. And that little ribbon is ready for my next craft project. Well, not quite. You need to seal the ends. Some people use a sealing tool. I go the old-fashioned way with some matches. And I found the easiest way to do this is actually to run the ribbon just at the bottom of the match. It saves me melting too much, setting my ribbon on fire. And you want it just enough so that you can see the ribbon starting to curl and seal. So there's my cute ribbon bow made from one-sided ribbon. And subscribe to the Threadistry YouTube channel for more sewing tips, tricks and tutorials. Happy sewing!